Right folks, happy Christmas and all that jazz. So today folks, I've got a little tiny weeny project for you. It is basically how to make your own Christmas snow globe. So I know some of you have probably seen this before, but if you're like me, I've never seen this before. And I saw it the other day and I thought, wow, I didn't even know you can make your own snow globe. So this is cool. So I thought I'd better show you. So we've got a few little ingredients here. We've got a bit of fake snow, some other artificial sort of snow, just different colors, like a bit of a silvery effect. We've got a little baby tree, and we've got a tiny ickle house. This is like obviously made for your own snow globes. You can get this in like your little local craft shop. Got this from Hobby Store or Hobby Craft. Pretty cool. And this is like a cookie jar that I'm going to make another one with. So you're not really supposed to use it for that, but I'm sure it'd be fine. And then I found this little puppy. Check this out, in the garden lying around. I think that we can probably use a chunk of that, I reckon, in this. So that looked quite cool. And obviously not forgetting the magical ingredients, vegetable glycerine. Oh yes, this is the magical potion that we need to make this happen. It's a quick one folks, I hope you enjoy it. Let's do this. So just a little Christmas special bonus for you folks. Maybe you could try this over Christmas. It takes 5 minutes and looks pretty cool. And you can experiment with all sorts of stuff. You could put anything in this. Let your mind run wild. Happy Christmas folks. Take care.